Okay, so you need to ship to Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico is an island, but it is U.S. territory. So it is somewhat international in that they are going to have you clear some duties and taxes depending on the value of your shipment. We do have several different ways that we ship there, whether it be air freight or ocean. Most of the freight goes ocean freight out of Jacksonville or Miami, and we do have container services available as well as less than container load. So depending on what your requirements are, how big your shipment is, we can help you with the logistics to make it as easy as possible for you, help you out with any paperwork requirements that are needed, and make sure that your shipment gets down there safely. You probably will also need a shipper's export declaration on anything that's over $2,500 in value. And again, we can help you out with all those logistics, find the best carrier for you, and get it down there as safely as possible. But our main goal here is anything that you have that's a little tricky, those are our specialty, and we can help you out and make it as easy as possible. If this video was good for you, please like the video, subscribe to our channel because we do have other videos on here and that you can watch for other shipping tips and tricks. Thanks.